Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with another luxury home walkthrough. This one came in just under $1 million, so a little bit less than what we've been seeing. It's 2,828 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. This is on 2 floors and it has a 3-car garage, including one of those being an RV style garage. Walking up to the front porch, you have cement pads and big brick columns, so very modern look to it, almost like a business building. When you walk in, you have a sitting room off to the side, nice wood floors, and little accents here on the side. So we're going to go ahead and go up the stairs first. The stairs are carpeted, which is a very nice feel to them as you're going up there. It has modern looking railings as well, and that also overlook into the front entry, and 2 large chandeliers with another modern look that kind of match that railing. Bonus room area up here is pretty good sized. You have a nice view out of the front. It's dark, so sorry you can't see too much out of here, but plenty of room up here for a TV, or in this case, other game tables. Coming over here, we have a bedroom off to the right, and the bedroom's a normal size. It's a good size. It's not too small, and the closet has double doors, which was a good feature to have. It's nice to open those up so that you have the full view of all your clothing. Coming in here, you have some tile that reminded me of when I was in Uruguay, so interesting look to it. And the backsplash was very nice. I liked the color of the darker tile and the darker sink as well. These tabs were interesting. I put my hand under them to feel them. They had a little ledge on there, but very modern look to that, along with the wood itself. I think gave the home its modern look that they're going for. So back into the living room here, we're going to come around and show you nice big windows over the stairs too as you're coming up. So in the daytime there'll be a lot of light in here, and I really liked the flooring in the laundry room. So the penny tile, more of a quarter size I guess, but I really like this tile, and it feels really nice when you walk on it. I like how they have a drain right there in the floor, which you should in the laundry room, but it was nice. So this room here is featured after a basketball team, and notice how the backdrop is a basketball court. I thought that was a pretty cool thing that they did there, little basketball chairs. So the decoration in this room was pretty fun, and I liked how it had the darker walls, just changed the theme up quite a bit. Nice ceiling fan. It did look like there were 8-foot ceilings here, so 9-foot would have probably been a little bit better, especially with ceiling fans. So we have another bedroom here. They had this one designed as an arts and crafts room, but it was just another bedroom and about the same size as the other ones. They had a fun wallpaper on this one that was a pink color. It had a little texture to it. Going into this bathroom here with a shower, love the tile floor, that nice teal color. And the tile shower was very well done too. It had the backsplash in there as the same, but I really like the pattern here and how it feels just walking over this. So they did a great job there. A bigger counter than the other bathroom, but same design. This was the chandelier over the stairs. I turned it off so you could see it a little bit better. With the lights on, it's hard to see, but it looked very, very cool. So we'll head back downstairs to the entry hall, and as we go towards where the garage is, they had this floor design right as you come in from the garage. Tell me your thoughts on that. It's a little stone pattern, good texture to it. Another bathroom down here. I thought the wallpaper was a little busy, but tell me your thoughts. Do you like it? Is this what you'd like to have? And I like the chandelier that was hanging down there. I really like the built-ins like this, where you can hang up some coats and have a place to sit down and put on your shoes. That's a great thing to incorporate. So here's a view of the kitchen, and it was beautiful. I love the island and the color that they used on that. They had some pendant lights hanging down in a chandelier form, and I really like this backsplash. What do you think about this style? It's not your traditional squares or rectangles. It had a fun pattern to it, and the rest of that counter was the same. The pantry did the job, just a little corner pantry, not too big, but I think it does the trick. Here's the living room with a nice fireplace in here, and very matching the outside brick is the design it looked like they were doing there. And I love the ceiling fan. I have a similar one. In fact, I'll put that in the video description of how to install that. I love that fan in the heat. So you have your sitting area back here. They incorporated a bench style booth look to it. and now we're headed in towards the master. So this texture here is just a wallpaper, and same wood floors in the master. Good size window here, and a back exit to the patio as well. So here's the master look here with a nice barn door that separates. More tile work that looked kind of stone-like. It gives you a fun texture to walk on. A soaker tub. So I like that tub. It was connected to a nice big glass shower, and dual vanities over here with the same look of the other cabinets and the darker countertops. I'm a big fan of these lights. I actually saw these in another home that we walked through, so keep checking my other videos. You'll see these. I thought these looked great. Little rope look to them, very elegant looking, and so I really like those. The shower connects to the tub, so nice there. I really like how they have the washer and dryer inside the master. That's where a lot of your laundry is going to be done. And I love the wood floors in here because a lot of times you're putting your shoes down, and I don't like putting dirty shoes on carpet, so that's really nice. Coming out here, we have a back exit, and so this is leaving the master, and you have a little lounge area. I was looking at this and I thought, well, this probably should have been inside. They probably should have just kept this wall, moved it out a little bit so you had more of a living area, but it's nice to have a patio too. It's a little dark, so I apologize for that, but you have a little AstroTurf section out here for some grass, and a nice pergola with a fire pit to sit around. So the backyard was well done for the size that it was. So I think they did a great job with that. Let me know what you think. Would you rather have an outside patio like this, or would you rather have more inside room, especially as it gets hot or cold? We have a nice sliding door as well I wanted to show you for the master. This is a barn door, as they call it, and it just kind of slides over. And so that's a nice way to put a door in where it doesn't swing and take up a lot of room. So I really like the barn door. Here's the garage. Nothing too fancy to see in here. I do like how they have windows so that during the day it's not completely dark, and very long RV garage here. So lots of parking space. I really like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description. They had a 220 volt in here too, which was cool. But I have other videos that are similar to this, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.